Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You guys know what this is? Yes, it's a potato. So this video is gonna be my first video in the potato series. This series will be all about the holy grail of potatoes. Apparently there are Potato Association of America that has more than 30 countries around the world as representatives. This obviously shows that potatoes are the king of vegetables. So in this series, I'll be looking and exploring different ways to cook this fabulous vegetable. In this first episode, I'll be looking at basic ways to prepare and cook potatoes. This includes pomme pont neuf, pomme sauté à cru, pomme annette, pomme puree. Sorry if I'm pronouncing these French words wrong. I am French, how would I know, you know? Ugh. Anyway, let's go to the kitchen. Oh. Hey guys, I didn't have any potatoes in my fridge, so I'm just walking to the nearest supermarket right now to get some more potatoes. You know, I can't do anything without any potatoes if I'm making a video about potatoes, you know? So I see you guys back at the supermarket or at home. See you in a bit. Hey guys, so apparently in Japan you're not really allowed to film in supermarkets, so I wasn't able to film at the supermarket, but I managed to get some potatoes, so it's all cool, you know? So I'm just walking back home right now. It's pretty hot out here, you know? God, it's like 30 degrees in Japan right now, I think. Like in England, it's like half of that, you know? Like 15 degrees, I think. It's too hot in Japan, man. I can't handle this. But yeah, got the potatoes. So we're ready to go home and start cooking. So I'll see you guys over there. Potato. Boil some water beforehand and then wash and peel the potatoes. You can also keep the peels and fry them to make potato skin chips. Once that's done, cut it into roughly 1 cm thick slices, then into 1 cm thick sticks. Season the boiling water and cook the potatoes until soft. Drain it out and leave the steam dry for about 15 minutes. While waiting, let's heat the oil to 160 Celsius. Fry it in the oil for about 5 to 6 minutes.
ちょっと生じゃないですか?
No, it's okay. Heat the oil now to 190 Celsius and fry it for about 3 minutes or until golden. See, these are looking good. Now just to season these with salt and pepper. Hey guys, we finished cooking now. Let's try these potatoes that we made. Looks good, don't they? It's nice and hot right now. Oh, these are so good. Nice crunch to it. And so fluffy inside. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah. These are good. The best, you know. Of course I made it, you know. It's so good. I'm actually surprised how good it is by using Japanese potato. Japanese potato don't tend to be good for these things, you know, because it's usually too small and not as fluffy. But this one's good. Turned out good. Thanks to the supermarket I went. So good. Next, let's make the pomme sauté à cru. Wash and peel the potatoes. Or use magic as I did. Cut it into vertically half and slice it into 3 to 5 mm thick slices. If it's a bit wet, dry it with a towel, then fry it in a plenty of oil until it starts to color. Add a normal butter to a clean pan, and once it starts to bubble, add in the potatoes and saute for a bit. Make sure to season with salt and pepper. Okay, that's done. Nice and easy, right? Guys, our sauteed potatoes are done. Yep. So let's try these. These are good too. It's not that as crunchy on the outside, but it's quite soft. But it's really buttery, so it has a really good buttery taste to it. Wow. Okay, let's make the pon ane next. Before we get started, we need to make some clarified butter. Melt the butter slowly in a saucepan, and then take out the foams on the surface, and then strain the butter. Let's start cooking the potatoes. Wash and peel the potatoes and cut it into thin slices and into thin sticks. Combine the potatoes and some of the clarified butter in your bowl. Make sure to leave some of the clarified butter for later. Don't forget to season. Lay the potatoes in a round mold cutter. Add some of the leftover clarified butter to the pan and cook the potatoes. Add a knob of butter on the top to give extra flavor. Once it's cooked a bit, it's okay to remove the mold. Flip and cook on the other side. Okay, that's done. Not too hard, right? Look so good, don't they? So let's try them now. Oh, these are really good too. It's got a really strong buttery taste. Crunchy on the outside, but still soft in the inside too. And you get like individual strings of potato in your mouth. This is a really good texture, you know. Could be a bit more crunchier, but I think that'll be fine if I just cook it a bit longer, you know. Let's make the puree next. Boil some water first. Should be used to it by now. Wash and peel the potatoes and cut it into equal cuts. Salt the water and the potatoes and boil until soft. While we wait, let's warm up some milk until just before boil. Strain the potatoes and in a clean saucepan cook the potatoes a bit to dehydrate a bit. While it's still warm, use a tummy strainer and mash it through it. This method makes the smoothest puree. Add a knob butter and the warm milk and mix well. Season with salt and pepper. Voila, the purees are down. Hey, okay guys, our pom puree, or the potato purees, are done now. Let's try these out. Oof, it's so smooth. Damn, these are amazing too. It's really silky and smooth. Just melts in your mouth, really. This is good. The butter also helps it make it really smooth and like buttery. It's really good. Which is more silkier, this potato or my cheeks? Maybe this potato. This would go really well with like gravy and like sauces. This video is going longer than I thought, so I'm gonna do the other basic potato foods in the next part of episode number 1. And thank you always for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Achoo.